Hello guys, I hope everybody's doing well and had a blessed Christmas and New Year's. Today is January the 2nd and I am still in Florida, and we went to the Michaels in Florida. That's a Michaels back there. And we went to the Hobby Lobby here in Florida. And Hobby Lobby had 90% off. So I bought these long garlands for next year for my Christmas tree. I got 2 of the silver, and the white one, I got 4 of these for the Christmas tree. And this is what I want to show you guys. This is from Michaels. So Michaels only had 60% off on all their Christmas stuff. So this $29.99, and that's with the 60% off. Okay, and so we're going to transform this Christmas wreath. It's for the door. We're going to transform it into a Valentine's Day wreath for the front door. And so we got this wreath here, and I also purchased spray paint. I have never used this spray paint before, but the color, it's really nice for Valentine's Day. I was also thinking that I was gonna bring this wreath home with me to Canada, and I will just, after Valentine's, I can use it on the door also for Easter. Okay, so this is the name, and this is the color. So none of their spray paints have lids on them, they tape it. So that was quite interesting. This is not the actual color. I thought the color was the same as here, but this is just the bottom of all the color spray paints. Okay, so this is the actual color here. I'll be going to my garage and I'll be transforming this wreath by spray painting it. So we're gonna take off all the cones. We'll keep those for our other wreath for next year. And we're just going to spray paint this, okay? So stay tuned. So before we spray paint the wreath, we're going to remove the pine cones. Like that, we're gonna go and remove all of them, and then we're gonna start spray painting. So let's get started. Okay, so we're gonna start spray painting. Hey Royals, so we have finished spray painting our Christmas wreath that we are now going to be turning into a Valentine's Day wreath. So we went to Hobby Lobby and they had an amazing sale. So we purchased these heart ornaments and they were $2.49 and we got them for 40% off. So we grabbed 3 of those. That's from Hobby Lobby. We got this other ornament. It says P.S. I love you. And it has the little beads at the end. And this one was $2.99 and we got 40% off. Then again, at their Christmas section, Hobby Lobby had a 90% off. So this is $10, so we got 90% off of the ribbon. We have these items here. We purchased these at the Dollar Tree. And these little Valentine's Day gnomes. We got ribbon, and we got these little pom-pom garlands that we're gonna use in the wreath. And then we got these little foam stick hearts. And so this side here is from Dollar Tree, and this side here is from Hobby Lobby. And we also got this wire here, and this was from Michaels, and it was 60% off, $5.99. So that was pretty good. I grabbed a couple of these. And then we have our scissors. So I won't be using any glue for this wreath. I'm just going to use the wire there, and then we're just gonna hang it like we're hanging ornaments on the Christmas tree. Okay, so let's get into it. So we're gonna start by cutting this ribbon around this much. We're gonna cut it off right here. And then we're just going to gather the tool like this, and we're just gonna stuff it. In our wreath like this. And we're just gonna continue until we hide some of the spaces. What you see here, we're gonna just keep on putting in the red ribbon in the areas that need to be covered. So we're gonna be using our pom-pom garland from Dollar Tree. I'm just gonna wrap it around, just like how you decorate your Christmas ornaments, Christmas time. Then I'm gonna be adding our heart. Remember we said we got this at Hobby Lobby, $2.49 and 40% off. So I'm just gonna hang that one here for now, but we're gonna hang it behind. Add some more of the ribbon. And we have our little gnomes we got from the Dollar Tree. You remember 2 came in a pack? We're just gonna hang this guy here. Hang it by the ribbon as provided. And if it looks too crowded, you could always move it around. You could always put one on this side, like one up, one down. Our foam hearts. There's just a foam heart on a stick. And it comes in a pack of 7. And this is also from the Dollar Tree. Then we have this PS I Love You, also from Hobby Lobby. It's $2.99, 40% off. And I don't know where I want to put this. Maybe I should have put that in the middle. See? That's why I didn't want to use glue on this project, because I want to be able to take it off and put it back on, just like the Christmas tree, right? So. Okay, so as you can see, we removed the heart that was here, and we're probably just gonna put this one at the bottom. And no matter how perfect you want it to be, remember this is the door that your family or yourself will be walking back and forth, so the ornaments will move. It's okay, it's still gonna look pretty. Put this ribbon that I got from the Dollar Tree also, and it has hearts on it. But we have to intertwine it. Oh, that would look so nice if I did that first. But let's see. So one week you can have a design with the ribbons, and next week you can have design with just tulle. It's up to you. I don't know if that's doing too much. You never do too much when you're designing. So there you have it, guys. A quick, easy DIY, we transformed our Christmas wreath into a Valentine's Day wreath. So we spray painted pink and we added our hearts from Hobby Lobby, the love note from Hobby Lobby, and our Valentine's Day gnomes. These were from Dollar Tree, ribbon from Dollar Tree. And these tulle ribbons, I'm gonna call them, because they are tulle, just a lighter version. Those are from Hobby Lobby also. The Christmas section, that was 90% off, then $9.99. And then we had our foam hearts, and that's from the Dollar Tree, pack of 7. And then we had the pumps, and those are from the Dollar Tree also. And here you have it. So get out and design, guys. Get out and design. Love you guys. Stay tuned for our next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And thank you for watching. Have a blessed day.